Welcome back to my channel. Thank you for stopping by. So in this video I want to show you how I make jollof rice at home. So first I parboil my rice. I'm using the long grain rice for this recipe. It's on heat now, so I'll just cover it. To season my turkey meat, I have pepper. I like having spice in my meat. I have onions, garlic, ginger. I have rosemary leaves. I like grating my rosemary leaves with the other ingredients, so I go ahead and grate them all together. I pour it into the turkey meat. Pour in curry powder, thyme leaves, chicken seasoning, salt, seasoning cubes. I mix them all in together very nicely. It's ready to be transferred to the heat. So my rice has parboiled enough. Once I'm able to cut through a grain with my fingers, I take it off to wash it off. This is my turkey meat. I'm putting it on heat now. In here I have Tatashi. I've removed the seeds. I don't want it to give me a bitter taste. I have onions, tomatoes, Shombo, and pepper, of course. So I blend it all together. I pour in the tomato paste inside a pot and I'll cook it till it dries. So this is 10 minutes later and the turkey meat is simmering very nice. So I turn it together so that it will cook on all sides. And I cover it back to cook properly. So my turkey is well cooked now. I'll be transferring it to the oven. So this is going right into the oven. So I'll save this stock for later. So we'll go ahead and make the stew for the jollof. The pot is dry now. I add in vegetable oil, but I'm not going to add too much because I have oil from the turkey stock. I add in chopped onions. I leave it for about 2 minutes to turn a little bit brown, to get a little bit dry. My onions is ready now, so I add in tomato puree, aka tin tomato. So you should know the quantity you will add with the quantity of rice you're making. That's how to measure the quantity of your ingredients. So I'm adding this tomato puree to give me a little bit of more color. So I'll leave it to cook, fry a bit because I want to take away the tangy taste. So I'll leave it to fry for like 5 minutes. Now I add in my tomato blend. I've boiled it and it's dry. There's no water in it. And I stir it in together and I keep frying it. Keep in mind you have to be stirring this so that it doesn't burn. Here I have thyme leaves, Puree powder, stew seasoning, nutmeg powder, and white pepper. So I pour it in and I stir it together. Remember, the quantity you need to add depends on the quantity of rice you are cooking. That will determine the quantity you will need to add, whether less or more. So my tomato paste is dry enough, and I reintroduce back my turkey stock gradually because I don't want to add the bottom where there might be pieces of bones, like so. And I stir. At this point I have to taste for seasoning. I added in more seasoning. with salt. Please adjust yours if need be. I add in bay leaves. So I'll cover it now to come to a boil. This is boiling, so I have to add in my rice, the parboiled rice. So I use my spatula to mix in together. I have to add in a little water at this point. Mix it all in. Please observe the level of my water. It's the same level with the rice. Due to how we parboiled it, I don't want it to come out soggy. And I cover it to cook till it dries. At this point, I don't turn this rice again. I leave it like this till it dries. Turning it makes it burn fast. Meanwhile, the oven has delivered my grilled turkey meat. So we're about to check now. The rice is well dried. So my last step is to add in chopped onions. And I'll stir it together as it's still on heat. Then I stir it together. Then I cover it for 2 minutes. Our rice is ready. Please like and share this video. Also subscribe to my channel to support the work that I do. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video.